Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This video, more moldy VHS. Florida, stored, and like you can see it right here, and this is common. Okay, so you got the mold right there, and you think, okay, it's not crazy, but then you open it, you unscrew it, and you take it off. Come on. And then boom, look at this at the bottom. Yeesh. So all this wasn't exposed, in the window. So again, I'm getting information on these tapes and where they've been stored, and then overhead clear pictures I request so I can see the extent. But, when you look in here, you're like, okay, bits and bobs, but then, whoa. Yeah, so you never know what's lurking beneath. I just did a video on the little tiny roaches I found living inside of one of the tapes. The telltale sign is all these little droppings here. I don't know if you can see them. Also, the color, the discoloration, just the way that these tapes have been cared for or not cared for. And I'll see like holes in the side of them from like rats and mice that have chewed up these things used for their homes and stuff. But yeah, this is all kind of, it's underneath. So when you zoom in on this, it's all pretty nasty and all has to be cleaned up, otherwise it's gonna just wreck the players. And then there's all the bits and bobs inside. It's just a generalized funk. Yeah, so anyway, all this can deposit on the players. I mean, cleaning is one thing, but then I gotta get these things to play in real time, sometimes up to 6 hours, okay, as it's just churning around in a VCR, clogging the video heads constantly. God knows what else is going on. This is from 91, so this is 34 years it's been probably in a garage or something like that. But yeah, oh no, look, is that more bugs? Oh god, yeah. Oh my god, what is under here? It's gross. Yep. It's what I see constantly. All right, guys. Well, check out your tapes and see what they look like. Put them in a player. If you're looking to get this type of work done, you really need to be handing it over to a pro. Yes, there are some companies out there that offer mold services, but you've really got to find somebody that's passionate about this and they're really putting in the effort, because there's a lot of companies with hourly staff. They're just hacking it. They don't care. If there's problems, they've got the perfect excuse to just give up. Because, hey, look at it. It's old. It's looking like crud. This is one of the tapes I just did. And just to show you here, look. It's another one from 91. This is one of them. So clear picture and audio. This is an hour and 42 minutes, but without clear corner to corner. That's what you need to be seeing as an end result, which is not typical. They can just hand you back a bunch of crap and just go, oh well, and you're still paying. So I do have assessment fees that I charge up front, and then from there I give a price per tape, and if I can digitize it successfully, then I'm charging and I'm showing proof to the customer. Oh, there's another bug. Ooh. Yeah, so I don't care, wherever you go, you got to check Google reviews. The higher, the better. All right, bye.